हाय, वेलकम टू ज्यूरिसेज अकेडमीज यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि अगर आप सिम्बायोसिस एलएलएम एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में अपीयर होने वाले हैं तो हाउ टू एस दिस एग्जाम इन 30 days। सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड हाउ टू गो अबाउट द होल थिंग एंड क्रैक दिस एग्जाम in just 30 days. So as you all know that the AIAT, which is the online home proctor test, the exam date are out and the exam is on 25th June 2023. So you approximately have around 30 to 31 days before the exam, and this is the time where you should be focusing only on the right things that will help you to crack this exam. But before we start with those, let's quickly take a look at the pattern of this exam. So the AIAT will be a 70-mark test in which there will be two portions. There will be an objective part and there will be a subjective part. So the objective part will have 20 MCQs of 2 marks each, and so basically it will be a 40-mark portion, and then there'll be subjective questions as well. So you will have 2 subjective questions of 15 marks each, and there will be no negative marking in this exam. So you can see that the pattern is not that rigorous. There are only 20 MCQs that you have to attempt and only 2 subjective answers that you have to write. Now coming to the syllabus of this exam, let's quickly see what are the important areas that they test. So all the major law subjects like constitutional law, public international law, jurisprudence, IPC, human rights, corporate law, family law and environmental law are tested in the AIAT of Symbiosis LL.M. Now coming to how to prepare for the first portion, which is your objective part or the MCQs. So as you've seen that there are very limited subjects that are being asked, you need to cover them in a very summary manner. Now only because there are 20 questions that are going to be asked from this area, it is important that you do not go too much in depth of all the subjects. So you can refer to an LLM guide, because in LLM guides, they cover the whole syllabus in very short and only the important parts are covered. So you can cover the subjects in an overview manner from this LLM guide. You can buy any good LLM guide. There are many available in the market, so you can choose from any of them. Then you need to solve all the MCQs which are given in that LLM guide. So at the end of every chapter and even below a particular topic, they do give a list of questions that you can solve. So solving that is very important. And lastly, practicing mock tests online is very important, because it is going to be an online home proctored exam, which means that you will have to take it from your home, on your laptop or on your PC. So it is important that you practice mock tests in that pattern online, not in an offline format, but in an online format, so you can get accustomed to that exam environment that you'll have to face on the 25th. Now coming to the second part of the AIAT, which is the subjective portion. So how to prepare for that? So as you know that only 2 questions are going to be asked from the subjective area. The syllabus is quite vast, so you can't prepare for everything. What you can do is you can have your basics strong, which you are anyway going to do for your first part. And the second thing that you can do is that you can stay updated with the legal developments for the past 2 to 3 months. So for example, in constitutional law, some important judgments might have come. For example, the same-sex marriage debate is going on. The Anup Baranwal judgment has come with respect to the Office of Election Commission. So just like this, there will be some 2-3 important legal developments in all subjects. So you can keep a track of those, because chances of that being asked in the subjective portion are high. The next thing that you can do is that you can practice answer writing on your laptop or your PC, because most of us are not comfortable in writing answers on our laptop because we have taken offline exams. So you can practice answer writing on your laptop or PC to increase your typing speed. And lastly, you can also practice answer writing on notes. So do not use Word or Google Doc, because they will autocorrect whatever you are writing. So you do not want that, because in the exam there'll be no autocorrect. So be mindful of these tips to prepare for the subjective portion as well. So these are the few things that will help you crack this exam in 30 days for sure. So keep preparing and good luck. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.